Here I've got OPPO Reno4 Z 5G, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then reach personalization, and here you will notice themes and wallpapers album. So let's go to wallpapers, and you can pick either one from your own photos by tapping on photos. You can choose some static wallpaper or live wallpaper, whatever you prefer. I will go with static wallpaper and just pick the one that you like the most. You can scroll through all of them and pick which one looks better. And I think I will pick maybe the pink one, the first choice, and then tap on apply. Here you can decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both home and lock screens. And this is what I would like to choose and what I did. And as you can see, from now on, this picture is covering both your home screen and also lock screen of yours. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.